Offering a dose of nostalgic charm, exceptional water views, and sited at the edge of the Kennebec River is Bath Riverwalk. Our luxury residences boast character and quality and are surrounded with beautiful landscaping with unobstructed views of the Kennebec River. The buildings offer 2 and 3 bedroom condominiums, all with single floor living, 9-foot ceilings, and elevator access. Energy efficient systems, quality finishes, water-facing porches, air conditioning, and heated garage are just a few amenities. Residents have the luxury of renting dock space nearby, enjoying waterfront dining, relaxing at the waterfront park, or taking in a waterfront concert. Our residents enjoy the walkability to town, the locals farmers market, and the convenient lifestyle at Bath Riverwalk. Just a stone's throw from our private residences is Library Park, where many of our residents enjoy summer concerts at the gazebo on Tuesday and Friday evenings. Our unique locations offer easy access to local shops, restaurants, groceries, yoga studios, library, art galleries, post office, attorneys, and medical facilities. Everything is at your fingertips for an active in-town lifestyle. Midcoast Medical is home to Bath Internal Medicine and offers diagnosis and non-surgical treatment. Bath is known for its shipbuilding and is home to Bath Iron Works, founded in 1884, building Navy and large commercial ships. Come explore the historic downtown that offers a nostalgic charm with local shops and businesses. Bath has been recognized as Maine's coolest little city and has become a desired destination due to its revitalization. The town residents are friendly, proud of their community, and everything one needs can be found in this little city. We offer convenient, single-level living. We are pet-friendly, and all condominiums have exceptional views. Come experience life at Bath Riverwalk. We welcome you to schedule a tour and learn more about the availability of our current and future residences.